everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. When we talk about a backyard garden with an outdoor kitchen grill, we are describing more than just a place to cook. We are talking about a seamless integration of nature and culinary functionality. It is a purposeful extension of your home's interior living space into the fresh air, where the lush beauty of your landscaping meets a fully equipped cooking station. This setup typically features a high-quality grill as the centerpiece, surrounded by countertops, storage, and often seating, all nestled within a curated garden environment. It represents a lifestyle choice that prioritizes open-air relaxation and the joy of preparing meals while surrounded by greenery, effectively blurring the lines between your indoor kitchen and your outdoor sanctuary. The benefits of installing an outdoor kitchen within your garden are truly transformative for both your home value and your mental well-being. Firstly, it turns meal preparation into a social event rather than a chore. Instead of being stuck inside while everyone else enjoys the patio, the chef becomes the heart of the gathering. Cooking outdoors also keeps heat and lingering food odors out of your main house, which is a massive plus during the warmer months. Beyond the practicalities, a well-designed garden kitchen encourages you to spend more time in nature, which is proven to reduce stress. It also significantly increases your home's wow factor and market value, as modern homebuyers increasingly view functional outdoor living spaces as a top-tier luxury amenity. Decorating your backyard garden and grill area requires a balance between durable materials and soft, organic textures. To make the space look beautiful, start by defining the zone with high-quality flooring like natural stone, pavers, or weather-resistant decking that complements your home's architecture. Use lighting to create atmosphere. String lights draped overhead offer a whimsical glow, while recessed LED task lighting ensures the grill area is safe and functional after dark. Integrate your plants directly into the design by using raised planters as walls to create a sense of intimacy, or hang herb baskets near the grill for a touch of functional greenery. Finally, don't forget the comfort. Adding weather-resistant cushions, an outdoor rug, and perhaps a pergola or umbrella will provide the visual softness and physical shade needed to make the space feel like a true outdoor room. To build a top-tier outdoor kitchen, you need items that prioritize durability and versatility. The star of the show is, of course, a high-performance stainless steel or ceramic Kamado grill, but the supporting elements are just as vital. Stainless steel cabinetry and drawers are essential for keeping your tools organized and protected from the elements. Consider adding a built-in outdoor refrigerator to keep beverages and marinating meats close at hand, saving you trips back and forth to the house. For the garden side of the equation, self-watering planters are excellent for keeping your surrounding greenery lush with minimal effort. Lastly, a sturdy prep station with a stone or concrete countertop provides the necessary workspace and adds a sophisticated, industrial chic aesthetic to the overall design. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best backyard garden with outdoor kitchen grill ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One, the modern neon entertainment hub. This design features a sophisticated black-tiled bar area enclosed by glass walls, creating a seamless transition to the outdoors. The Scared to Dance neon sign adds a vibrant, contemporary pulse to the space, while the adjacent pergola with festoon lighting provides a cozy, open-air spot for evening drinks and conversation. 2. The poolside gourmet station. A classic and functional setup, this stone-clad kitchen island sits perfectly between lush greenery and a sparkling blue pool. With its high-end stainless steel grill and built-in refrigeration, It's the ultimate spot for summer hosting, allowing the chef to stay part of the poolside fun under the shade of bright orange umbrellas. 3. The stone hearth deck. This elevated wooden deck feels like a true outdoor living room, anchored by a massive floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace with a built-in television. The integrated grill and stone countertops run along the railing, offering a perfect view of the backyard while cooking, making it an ideal space for multi-season entertaining. 4. The minimalist concrete chef's line. Embracing a sleek, modern aesthetic, this long concrete countertop offers ample prep space and a professional-grade green ceramic grill. The clever undercounter with storage adds a warm, rustic element to the clean lines, while the open view of the fields beyond creates a sense of peaceful serenity. 5. The sophisticated marble minimalist. This stunning outdoor kitchen utilizes light-colored stone and marble effect finishes to create a bright, airy feel. The waterfall edge island provides a perfect breakfast bar for guests, while the built-in grill and sink are tucked neatly into a back wall, proving that outdoor cooking can be as elegant as any indoor kitchen. 6. The rustic pavilion retreat. This expansive covered deck features a heavy timber pavilion roof that protects the stone-wrapped grill and bar area from the elements. The addition of a hot tub right off the steps makes this a true 365-degree relaxation zone, perfect for those who want a lodge-like feel in their own backyard. 7. The European Courtyard Lounge. Combining a stone-tiled patio with a cozy sheltered kitchen, this design feels like a hidden Mediterranean escape. The wall-mounted TV and comfortable circular sofa set create a relaxed atmosphere, while the built-in grill and dining table ensure that every meal feels like a vacation. 8. The architectural cantilever kitchen. This ultramodern design features a dramatic dark cantilevered roof with recessed lighting, providing shade for a sleek L-shaped kitchen. The minimalist gray structure and wood-paneled ceiling create a striking contrast against the green lawn, making it a bold statement piece for a contemporary home. 9. The crafty wood and brick station. For those who love a DIY or craftsman look, this setup uses warm wood shelving and sturdy stone pillars to frame a classic copper-toned grill. It's a highly functional space with plenty of room for baskets, pots, and prep work, all while maintaining a charming, approachable garden aesthetic. 10. The Grand Estate Pavilion. This is the pinnacle of outdoor luxury, featuring a massive detached pavilion with a soaring vaulted ceiling and a stone fireplace. The fully equipped bar and grill area are integrated into the stonework, providing a grand space for large family gatherings surrounded by mature trees and perfectly manicured lawns. Creating a backyard garden with an outdoor kitchen is one of the most rewarding home projects you can undertake. It's an investment in your lifestyle, providing a beautiful space to create memories with friends and family while enjoying the beauty of the outdoors. Whether you prefer a sleek modern look or a rustic stone retreat, the key is to design a space that reflects how you love to live and cook. If you're ready to start your own backyard transformation, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiration. Which of our top 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a new video on how to make your home and garden look spectacular.